Guys, today I am going to share with you my self grooming routine. So what I have taken is I have taken one bowl, and in that I have taken 1 teaspoon of honey, and now I am adding 2 teaspoon of gram flour into it, and I will mix it gently. Now I am adding some amount of milk into this mixture. I will add milk so that the consistency remains thick, because I have to apply it on my face. Now I am using these facial wipes to wipe my face. If you don't have wipes, you can wash your face with the water also. The consistency of the paste which we have made should be like this, so that we can apply it on the face. Now I am applying this face pack on my face. I will apply it all over my face, under my eye, under my lip area, and I will scrub it gently so that I can remove my tanning from the skin. I will keep this face pack for 10 minutes and let it dry. Now you can see it has dried up, and I can touch my face with the finger, and now I will wash it gently with the water. See, you can see the glow on my skin. I can feel the smooth skin, and also the skin has become shiny, and you can do this twice a week. Guys, I am going to share with you my makeup, like how do I do my makeup. I am not a makeup artist, but I want to share with you how do I do my makeup whenever I go outside. Firstly, I will apply this moisturizing cream all over my face. Now I will apply this foundation. Now I will apply this concealer under my eye, because I am having some black this dark circles, so I will apply this concealer around my eye. Now I am applying this face powder, this is compact powder, and it is having different shades, so I am applying the shade which suits me the best. Now I am applying this lip balm on my lips so that my lips get moisturized. After this I am going to apply the lipstick. Now I am applying the kajal in my eye. Both eyes I will apply. To give it a final touch, I will apply this blush on my face. I will apply this on my cheekbones and on the tip of my nose. Guys, as I told you that I am not a makeup artist, so I do my makeup like this only whenever I go outside or whenever I go in a party. The makeup artist may apply many other products on the face, but I use generally these 5 products. And see, this is my final look. Guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I will bring more interesting videos for you. Till then, bye bye and take care.